Hi Fit Fam, welcome back to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 30 of our Fit Body Challenge, the final day of our challenge. Guys, I can't believe we've actually made it this far, especially myself. So just continue warming up in sport with me, preparing the heart, the muscles for our workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. Today we are going to be working on stretching the entire body. I mean, what better way to conclude our challenge than a full body stretch to relax those muscles, to stretch out the body, and to help increase flexibility. So we are going to be beginning our routine with breathing in and breathing out. Just get into position and we shall begin. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relaxing. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Just one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. And we are going to move on to the neck. You want to bend your neck first to the right, bending it only to as far as you can get it, feeling that stretch in your left side, and we are going to be holding that right there. And then you want to bring it back up and the other side. Very good stretches if you have a neck pain or any stress in your neck, and bring it back up. Next you want to bring it down. And you want to bring it back and face up to the ceiling. In and breathing out. And next you want to bring it back to the center. Next you want to look to your side, beginning with the right, looking as far as you can. Feeling that stretch in your side, and bring it back and the other side. Bring it back to the center. Moving on to the shoulders, so stretching out your right arm first and squeezing it with the other arm, holding it right there for 30 seconds per side. Keep breathing in and breathing out. You can give me some wrist rotations while doing this one. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and head onto the other hand, pulling in those abs towards the spine, giving me some wrist rotations while at it. And you want to keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next you want to stretch out the arms. So I will show this to you from the back. Beginning with the right arm, you want to bring it up and then bend it over, and then squeezing it towards your head with the other hand. We are holding this for 30 seconds as well. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other hand, bend it over, pull it towards your head. Keep breathing in and want to bring it down. Next, we want to move on to those fingers. So you want to reach out your hand. This is very good, especially for people who spend the entire day on your keyboard. So reaching out your hand, beginning with the left hand. Actually, we shall try to bring the hands backwards, the fingers, beginning with the 4 fingers, holding the 4 fingers for 15 seconds. Keep holding it right there and pulling backwards for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and moving on to the thumb. Keep breathing and bring it down, and the other hand. So just pull the 4 fingers backwards, bending them over, feeling that stretch in your entire palm, and moving on to the thumb. Moving on to the chest, you want to bring your hands backwards, you want to bring one leg backward, and you want to reach out and bringing your shoulder blades together and stretching out that chest. We are going to be stretching this for 30 seconds. Lifting your chest, feeling that stretch in your chest, releasing all the tension. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Moving on to that back, you want to get into a plie squat position, and you want to begin coming down for 1, 2, and 1 and 2. We are doing this for 30 seconds as well. That stretch in your back, bringing your shoulders down and back, bringing them down and back. Keep breathing and back. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more this side. And well done. Bring yourself back up. We are going to be stretching out the abdominal muscles, beginning with the right side, giving me that side stretch, feeling that gentle stretch in your obliques, especially reaching out, and we are holding this for 30 seconds per side. Keep breathing, breathing in, breathing out, and feeling that total stretch in the entire right part of your body. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it back down, and the other side, guys. Keep breathing in and breathing out, breathing in and breathing out. And keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Next, we want to get down onto our mat safely on our sides. We are going to get into the glute bridge, stretching out those abdominal muscles. So you want to pull your abs towards the spine, giving me a flat back, pushing your hands into the mat, and you want to raise off your mat, raising your torso up, and we are going to be holding this up there. Very good stretch for the back as well, but for those abdominal muscles as well. Breathing in and breathing out, breathing in and out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get back down. Moving on to those glutes, guys. So we are going to do the pretzel stretch. You want to begin with the right leg, just cross it over, and you want to bring your hands through and pulling your leg towards your body, and we are going to be holding this, guys, for 30 seconds. Keep breathing in and breathing out, feeling that stretch in your glutes especially, and your thighs as well. And just keep holding this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Bring the other leg down, and we are going to get into the other leg. Just pull this leg towards yourself, and we shall begin holding it right there, squeezing your leg towards your chest, feeling that stretch in both legs actually. Keep going, keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it back down. So next you want to roll over onto your side, and you want to stand up. We are going to be stretching those quadricep muscles. So what you want to do is to lunge to the side, and we are going to be holding this right there for 30 good seconds, feeling that stretch in your legs, in your thighs. Holding this right there, supporting yourself by placing your hands on your thighs. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and head over to the other side. Keep breathing in and breathing out, breathing in and breathing out, feeling that total relaxation in your muscles, in your entire body, in your thighs and legs right now. And keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to bring yourself back up, heading into those hamstrings. You want to begin by crossing the right leg, and you want to bend over, and we are going to be holding this for 30 seconds, guys. We are going to be bending at our hips, making sure that we are having a flat back over there, and keep breathing in and out, feeling that stretch in our legs, our hamstrings. Just continue holding this right there. Keep going, supporting yourself with your hands on the mat for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring yourself up back slowly, and we are going to cross over the other side, and we shall bring it down again, and we are going to be holding this just again, breathing in and out, taking deep breaths and breathing out and breathing out, feeling that stretch in your legs, in your back as well. And we shall continue holding this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get up, guys. Next we shall be stretching out our calf muscles. So you want to begin with the right leg, just bring it forward, and you want to be pulling your foot towards your body if you can, and you want to be holding it right there for 30 seconds. If you want, you can even add on the arms and reach out your arm and just keep holding it right there while gazing into the ceiling and getting that arm stretch as well. And you continue holding this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it down and bring yourself back up. And the other side, you want to bring it forward and pull it towards your body, and if you feel the need to, or you want to add an extra stretch, just reach out your hand. Otherwise, just continue supporting your body with your hand. I will be reaching out and stretching this other arm as well. Just continue going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it back down, guys. And you want to bring yourself back up. We have come to the end of our stretching routine. Next, you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the actual end, guys. A high five if you've made it this far with me. Thank you very much for joining me today and also in the past 30 days in this fit body challenge. I really do feel amazing. I see more muscle on me. I feel stronger. I feel more flexible. Whichever your reason for working out, guys, is, I hope you have achieved it in this challenge. My main reason for working out is to keep fit for health, and that is exactly how I am feeling right now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends on social media. Invite them over to come and try out this fit body challenge right from the beginning. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.